Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix keyboard not working in the Windows search bar or any other menu bar. So if I go here and if I try to type, so as I am typing my keyboard there is nothing to type. Okay, so it's not working. But if I go to my Chrome and if I try to type here, see, I already searched for how to keyboard not working on Windows search bar. So if I type hello, then it is typing completely okay. So what you need to do is you need to press Windows plus R from your keyboard, or just like this. So it will open up the run application. Now in this you need to type in a address. So you can see it in the screen or in the description. C Windows System 32 ctfmon.exe. You can copy it from the description. Once you copy it, then you need to click on OK here, and it will just take a second. So I'm going to refresh it now. Now I'm going to go and start typing right here, and I will see whether it types or not. And as you can see, now it is typing hello. So this is how you can fix the problem of keyboard not working on Windows search bar or any other Windows place. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.